Let's get some popcorn. Well, this is gonna be a challenge. Popcorn party! Yeah! Can I make it from back here? Even farther back! My mom's gonna yell at me once she finds this TikTok! Just gonna shoot from over here again. God damn it! No! Shooting from over here again. Why under the microwave? Why not in the microwave? In the fuck! Popcorn, the only way for you to pop is for you to get in the microwave. Getting tired of this shit. Not stopping until I'm God damn, did I actually just break something? I gotta stop. Yeet! For Kobe! Fuck yeah!